Hello everybody, my name's Steve. I have a few videos out there on repairing electronic devices, and I also like to play piano. So here we have a Yamaha P250. I bought it on Marketplace. It had some damaged keys, so it was very easy to take this apart. It was literally like it was a few screws, about 14 screws, but they're all the same. It's very obvious taking them apart and when you go to put it back together, which screws go where. Because there was only two separate sizes out of the 14 screws. 14 screws. And as far as the keys themselves, they're right here. They're both the B key, the B note key, B5 and B6. And they have these little cracks right here. You can see the little cracks on the end. Actually, that's completely separate. I just stuck it back in there for now. And for like $10, I could order these from Cintor down in Texas. But the first thing I'm going to try is epoxy them and sanding them. If I can get some strength out of the epoxy, then I'm just going to go ahead and reuse it. You know, it's a used keyboard, so... But a lot of people, you know, they feel doomed when their keyboard breaks down, especially expensive keyboards like this one. It's not the end of the world. If anybody has any comments or questions, or they want to ask me about repairing keyboards or about their keyboard, just let me know. I'm not a great musician. I've been trying to learn classical music, and I'm not that good. But I am good at troubleshooting electronics and instruments and stuff like that. So... But I just wanted to make this quick video, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye-bye.